Hello everyone, I am Professor Praveen Sarvale, College of Agriculture and Allied Sciences, Shardanagar, Baramati. Today we are going to discuss the new topic of precision agriculture. This is the most important and advanced topic in your syllabus. In that, we will see the precision agriculture, their definition, their concept, the different technologies, their issues, concern for the Indian agricultures. Okay, that means what are the actual use of precision agriculture in Indian agriculture? There are different issues and problems. Okay, we will discuss in this video. Now see what is precision agriculture. Precision agriculture means what? The precision agriculture can be defined as that form of farming where the site-specific management practices are adopted, giving due to consideration to the special variability of land to maximize crop production and minimize environmental damage. Okay, this is the definition of precision agriculture. This is a very new concept, precision agricultures. You can study the specific point or specific area on the earth in within a short periods in a precision agriculture. Okay, in exam the definition of precision agriculture will be asked. Now the precision agricultures and their concept. Precision farming is a management strategy that employs detail and site-specific information to manage the production input precisely. That means the short mistakes will easily identify and you can do the proper management on that particular problems in a precision farming. And this concept is sometimes called the precision agriculture, prescription farming, and the site specification management. Okay, these are the different synonymous terms. The idea is to know the soil and crop characteristics unique to each part of field and to optimize the production input within the small portion of a field. And the philosophy behind the precision agriculture is that the production input, that means seed, fertilizer, chemicals, these are the different production inputs, should be applied only as needed and where needed for the most economic production. Okay, that means in appropriate quantity, whatever the requirement in your field, accordingly the seed, fertilizer, chemicals and other production input you can use in a precision agriculture. That means the accuracy is maximum in precision agriculture. Now the different components or a tool and techniques used in a precision farming. In that first one is the information or database. In that soil is texture, their structure, their physical condition, moisture, soil nutrient, etc. These are necessary. Then in crop plant population, crop tissue nutrient status, crop stress, weed patches, that means weeds type and their intensity, insect or fungi infestation, crop yield, harvest swath, weeds, etc. Then in climate, temperature, humidity, rainfall, solar radiation, wind velocity, these are the major database. In field variability, spatially or temporally, in soil related properties, crop characteristics, weed and insect pest population, and the harvest data are the important database that need to be developed to realize the potential of precision farming. Then second one is a different technology. Technologies include a vast array of tools of hardware, software and equipment. In that global positioning system, that means a GPS server, then a different global positioning system, DGPS. Okay, all we will discuss regarding the GPS in brief in next video. In a GIS system, that means geographical information system, then remote sensing. These are the different concept of precision agriculture. Especially in remote sensing, it is the collection of data from a distance. Data sensor can be a simple handheld device mounted on aircraft or a satellite base. Remotely sensed data provide tools for evaluating the crop health and the plant trace related to the moisture, nutrient compaction, crop disease, and other plant health concern, and often easily detected in overhead images. Remote sensing can reveal in season variability that affect crop yield and can be timely enough to make the management decision that improve the profitability for the current crops. Okay, as like a GIS, GPS remote sensing is another one major component of precision agriculture. Then variable rate applicator. In that, the variable rate applicator has a three component in which control computer, locator or actuator. Okay. Then next one is a combine harvester with yield monitor. The new machineries, new advanced technology, that means sensor technology, are already invented in the world, and accordingly, when the large scale area is necessary to harvest within a short time, at that time the combine harvester is used, and according to the moisture percentage, according to the sign of maturity, and they are harvested. Then management practices, in that information management, for that those data are required for the management of precision agriculture is necessary. Then decision support system, that means DSS, the combination of information and technology into a comprehensive and operational system gives a farmer decision to treat the field. For this purpose, DSS can be developed utilizing GIS, agronomical, economic, and environmental software to be farmers manage their field. Then identifying a precision agriculture service provide. It is also advisable for farmer to consider the availability of custom services when making the decision about adopting the precise or site specific management. Okay, these are the all management practices for the precision agriculture, and these are the different issues regarding the precision agriculture, in which first one is a high capital cost may discourage farmers not adopt this method of farming, because the cost of different instrument is not easy to purchase to farmer. Then precision agriculture techniques are still under development and they require expert advice before the actual implementations. So that here there is a shortage of trainers. Then it may take several years before the actual collection of sufficient data, because if data is available, then you can calculate easily your proper result. It is an extremely difficult task, particularly the collection and analysis of data. Okay, these are the different issues regarding the precision agriculture. And in future or nowadays, the different challenges of precision agriculture adopted in India, in that the high illiteracy among the Indian farmers, that means in Indian farmer is not much more progressive. So there is a lack of education regarding the precision agricultures, different new technologies of agricultures. Okay, illiteracy is a major problem. Okay, also the inadequate understanding of the agronomical factor, then lack of understanding of geostatistic necessaries for understanding the spatial variability of crop and soil adopting mapping software, then limited availability to integrate the information from the diverse sources. These are the different challenges and problems in precision agriculture for adopting in India. Okay, this is all about the precision agricultures. This is a new technology. Day by day, it will be increased, and farmer will be interested in future, because it is a it require very short time to analyze the different data, to analyze the different result. So the in future precision agriculture is one of the major tasks for the all agriculturist. Okay, thank you so much, student. If you have a problem in this short topic of precision agriculture, their concept definition, then contact me. Okay, the remaining part of precision agriculture we will discuss in a next video. Okay, thank you so much.